Hi there, this is Jonathan Turkey, and today I would like to break one of the most well-known common believing about the Moka, the cafetiera. That after you use a cafetiera, you shouldn't wash it using soap. You only should use water. It was well known maybe 100 years ago, but nowadays we know that coffee brings oil, and oil is really greasy. After you make your coffee with a cafetiera, you should always wash it carefully using soap. You should deassemble the cafetiera and wash it internally. The inner part of the cafetiera, it should be very clean. Now let's go into the washing process. Okay, here we go. Let's go into the process, the cleaning process. As you can see, I made some coffee in purpose to show you how you should clean the Moka. I'm going to show you the real way. This is the coffee, as you can see. Yeah. And this is the upper part of the Moka. I'm not going to focus in the lower part, in the boiler. I'm going to focus more on the upper part, this part of the Moka, which is more, I would say, sensitive. I got a towel. You can just brush a little bit. I just want to show you something. Now I'm going to use a small fork. So that you can remove the gasket. This is the gasket, also called guarnizione in Italian. You should remove it. It's very dirty, extremely dirty. So you should actually wash it really well, and you should also remove the filter. Remove completely the filter. Here we go. This part of the cafetiera is very dirty. It's very dirty, and there is lots of coffee left over, and there is lots of oil. So this oil that keeps staying in the Moka, it doesn't really make the coffee taste as it should be. If you want to get a clean coffee taste, you should wash every part of the cafetiera. I wouldn't say every day, but you should go into this process at least once a week. Okay, so the best way will be to get, I will use the fork I used before. You can use whatever stick and put a towel on it and stick it inside the cafetiera. You should do like this, and now I'm going to show you. This is, now you can see how dirty is inside. It's like when you touch the wheel of a car, or if you touch the engine. It's not like the color of the coffee. This is black. It's completely black. So this is actually what you're drinking. You are drinking dirt. Pay attention to this process of the cleaning. This part of the cleaning has to be done very carefully. And I want to give you a last suggestion. Even if Alfonso Bialetti comes back to life and tells you wash the cafetiera only using water, well, you shouldn't believe him. So remember, always wash properly your cafetiera and enjoy the best coffee you can.